Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a time zone to your calendar in Outlook. This is especially helpful if you work with teams across different regions or frequently schedule meetings with people in other time zones, as it helps you stay on top of scheduling without the guesswork. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and everything has loaded properly before moving forward, as this ensures all your settings will sync correctly. Once your email has been loaded, we can begin adding the time zone to your calendar. Navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are displayed. Click on the File tab to open it up. Once the File menu has opened, look at the very bottom part of your File menu and click on Options. This will open a new window called Outlook Options, which is where all your customization and settings live. From here, click on Calendar on your left side menu. This section controls all the settings related to how your calendar displays and functions. Under the Calendar section, scroll down until you find the Time Zone section. This is where the magic happens. From here, simply enter a label for your time zone. For example, you could type something like West Coast, EDT during daylight saving, or PST, whatever makes the most sense for you and helps you identify it quickly. Then choose the corresponding time zone from the drop-down menu. Take your time selecting the correct one, especially if there are similar options listed. Once you've configured your primary time zone, click on OK to save your changes. Do note that you can add a secondary time zone that can appear on your calendar by clicking on the Show a Second Time Zone checkbox. If you do this, configure it the same way you did your primary time zone by adding a label and selecting the appropriate zone from the dropdown. This is particularly useful if you regularly coordinate with a specific region and want a quick visual reference on your calendar. And that's it. Your time zone is now set up in Outlook, and your calendar will reflect the correct times for your meetings and appointments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.